guys, Gerald from Oneupreviewz, and today we've got a look at the New Balance 327. Before we get into the review guys, if you are new to our channel, remember to hit that subscribe button, hit that notifications bell so you never miss any of our latest reviews. Let's get into this New Balance review, and we've got the New Balance 327 in natural indigo and white, and we got this in a UK 7.5, it's a European 41.5, and it is a US size 8. And in my opinion, we've got one of the most slept on sneakers of this year. For the casual layman who knows nothing about New Balance, this is a great entry point for obtaining a pair of New Balances because of the price point. It was 70 quid, bargain, get that. And when it comes to New Balance, I always think of great quality and comfort. So what you're getting for £70, it's bang on, you know, worth every penny. And this year, all I've been wearing is my New Balance 990s, and I can't wait to see what these 327s are like. I've been seeing them all over the blogs. I've seen them on so many Instagram accounts. So many influencers are wearing these, and it's so refreshing to see other brands that aren't Nike or Adi getting spotlight on sneakers this year. For that, let's get looking, and here we go. There it is. Really unique design for New Balance, really. Because when it comes to New Balance, as I mentioned, I think of those great materials, those great silhouettes, like the 990, the 991, and 574s. Like, those were really great sneakers. This is a brand new silhouette, the 327. It's new in their series, and it just takes looks from a lot of the retro sneakers back in the 70s, and it's really nice that New Balance has given them a remixed look, a brand new modern look, incorporating like a chunky feel with that dad sneaker kind of vibe. We'll start with the outsole. So this outsole is a whole rubber mold, and it reminds me of like a Nike LD Waffle outsole, and in the fact that as we move along to the upper, it carries towards the toe and it carries on the heel at the back. Going along the upper, so you've got the panels at the front, those are suede. Really nice, and it's like the hairy kind of suede, it's like we've done with the Adidas Gazelle, reminds me of that kind of material. And you can see at the back tabs, the back here as well, at the heel area, it's not as like soft as the front where the mudguard suede is. It's a bit rough, but you know, I'm not going to be touching my heels a lot. Going along the medial and the lateral side, so the majority of the sneaker is a whole textile material, and you've got the big New Balance N logo that's right there. Going along the tongue, so you've got the normal lacing system with flat laces, nylon tongue, bit padded with the New Balance NB logo, and in the inner, so inside the tongue, it says the Intelligent Choice 327, and to me that's really a real confident kind of shot at the competitors from New Balance. It's a real douchey kind of thing to say, but to me this seems like the intelligent choice in regards to price, fashion, what's on trends. I mean, like I mentioned, I keep seeing these on all the fashion bloggers accounts these days. And I'm going to mention about the comfort. So the midsole unit is foam. It does feel like it's an EVA. I wouldn't say it's the most cushioning midsole we've tried here at Oneupreviewz, but I'm sure it is. If it's designed by New Balance, I know it's going to be comfy. Before I get into the insole, I just want to mention that the lace panels here as well, they're made out of the same suede as the mudguard suede, and this is a dope colorway that we've got in. We've got this in the indigo, like really dope navy. Well, it's indigo, but it gives you that nice strong retro feel, and I love that. And before we get into the on feet, you got the New Balance logo in the insole. and I'm going to round it off there. Can't wait to try these on. Going to give you those like new retro vibes, even though this is a new silhouette. I can't wait to comment on the comfort of this, how it feels on, all that jazz. Let's do this, let's go. Guys, for £70, this is really comfy. It's worth every penny in my opinion. It looks so stylish as well. And I've got no thoughts in this. I'm really surprised. I thought that the 990 New Balance was worth every single pound that I put in. This, for the price point, I can't believe it. As I mentioned, New Balances are so comfy. I'm sold. Really, I'm sold. I want to get more pairs in the 327s. And well, that's it. I want to round it off there. The sizing, there we go. Just something I forgot to say. So when it comes to sizing, get what you usually get. For New Balance, I do usually get a 7.5. That is my true to size fit. And that's the size that I recommend you guys get. Thanks guys for watching. Remember to like, comment and subscribe. Follow us at Oneupreviewz with a Z at the end on Instagram. Until next time, peace.